Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video I will show you how to add your phone number on X. It's very simple and easy. Watch full video so you don't miss out any important step. So first of all, open the X application on your mobile phone. Then you will see your profile picture on the top left corner. So tap on it. Then you will see different options. Scroll down and you will see the settings and support option. So expand it. Then you will see settings and privacy option. So tap on it. Next on the settings page you will see the first option, your account. Tap on it. Then on the next screen select the option account information. Here in the account information page you will see the phone option. So tap on phone. After that enter your X password. After entering the password tap on next in the bottom right corner. Then on the next page first select your country. I am from Pakistan, so I am selecting my country Pakistan. Then add your phone number. After adding the phone number you will see this next option in the bottom right hand side. So you have to tap on next and your phone number will be added. So this is how you can add phone number on X.